Welcome to IELTS exam. I am the examiner. Okay.
Morning,
So,
sir.
good morning. Can I have your full name, please?
Yeah, my name is Gusam Pasim. You can address me as Simran.
Okay. Where do you come from?
I come from village Dolmangal in the district Amritsar of Punjab, falling in northern part of India.
Okay. May I see your ID, please?
Yeah, here's my passport I used for my registration purpose.
Okay. Do you work or study?
I have just passed out my plus 2 class with flying colors. Now I have prepared for IELTS exam from last month.
Okay.
Yes.
Which subject you have chosen in the senior secondary class?
I have been going through the PCM and with English and physical education.
Okay. Are these interesting subjects?
Yeah, they are interesting from my point of view. That's why I have chosen them. Physical education, I love to know about our body and physical activities which benefits our body. Therefore, I have chosen that. And PCM because of my interest in in mathematics and physics. That's why I have chosen it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you want to make career in these subjects?
Yes, I want. I will be willing to make my career in these subjects because I am interested in them, and if I get my career in them, then I will be doing much more, and the efficiency of work will be good.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's talk about the tea and coffee. Okay.
Yes,
Do the Indian people like to take tea or coffee?
most of the people, likewise the rural areas, they prefer tea over coffee, but the people who are educated, they prefer coffee because while studying, it is too energetic, and to escape the sleep, they they drink coffee and
Okay. Do you prepare tea or coffee for guests at home?
yeah, I prepare both. I have learned from my mother how to prepare the both. When she is not home, usually make it. Yes.
When was the last time when you drank tea or coffee?
Actually, I have just gone through my coffee in the morning only.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's the end of the section 1.
Yes.
Now I will ask you to write a cue card and you will have to speak for 1 minute. You can write down the notes on me. Okay, sir. Your 1 minute is over.
Yes, sir. Since the COVID-19 pandemic was going on, and I was thinking of preparing for IELTS exam after my plus 2, and due to the COVID-19, every institute was closed according to the government recommendations to be closed, and therefore I was willing to go for online institutes, but my friend said that in about 1 to 2 months it will get over and we will be studying offline. That's beneficial because online studies are like wastage of time and money, as we will not get anything from that, and therefore I agreed with him. And in the pandemic I was like sleepy, about 10 to 12 hours sleeping, and also while for the time pass we were playing like games and scrolling Instagram here and there, and that wasted my time a lot because since I was punctual, and I don't like to waste time, and wasting time is like no one wants to waste time, but some certain conditions are like that where we get wasted at times without our knowing, and therefore I was now, since the pandemic is reducing and institutes are open, therefore I am here for my IELTS preparation. I was going for my IELTS preparation from last month, and now I have prepared for my test, and I am here for my IELTS test.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How can we avoid wasting the time?
Being punctual and remembering the things we have to do, and making the timetable in the night before what we have to do, and this will save a lot of time.
Is the time management important for us?
Yes, time management is the essential key to successful life and efficient working of our body as well as our work. To get the efficiency, we need to manage our time.
Okay. Should the parents help the children to manage the time?
Yeah, parents have a key role in them because children will always listen to them, as they will never thought of their pitfalls. They will always encourage them, and encouraging your child is good, and in time management they will benefit in the future also.
Okay. Do you think relaxing is wastage of time?
No, I don't think relaxing is a waste of time, because to break the monotony of life, we need to relax and to get more efficient, as we get tired after working a lot of day, and to get energy to work for the day and to cope up with the stress, we need to go.
Okay. That's the end of your IELTS exam.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.